Alright guys, so we are not in North Carolina anymore. We are now in New York, my home state. I trailered the car all the way down from North Carolina. It was about a 10-hour drive, but we are finally here and I finally got the car off the trailer. Still dirty, but that is the Tappan Zee Bridge over there. And then New York City is right down the river over there. But it's a lot colder. As you see, there's snow, so it hurts me driving this car right now, but it's running good. I guess this is boost weather. But I guess what I'll do is I gotta clean the car and get the car like New York ready. For example, that windshield is knotted over here, and I don't need my pops getting tickets if he takes the car out or whatever. But everything's running fine. It seems to run fine. I got the computer out in the car. I just figured I'd take it down the pier and get a few good shots of it. But just stay tuned and we'll see what we got up next. Peace. Alright guys, so this is the house. We're at my house in New York, and I'm going to take all my sisters out for a ride in the Mustang, and we're going to get some reaction clips and see what they think. I'm letting the car warm up right now, but they're all excited, so I'm going to see if I can get some good reaction clips. Alright guys, next day here in New York. It is freezing over here. It is actually about 30 degrees outside, but the car is filthy, so broke out the power washer and we're gonna try and give old girl a wash. I'm using the citrus wash and gloss. This is from Chemical Guys. I always use that. It's in the power washer, but it'll do for now. Yeah, so let me give her a quick wash and then we're meeting up with my good friend. His name's Chris. He owns a wide body Hellcat. And yeah, let's do some rippage. Peace. Alright guys, so this is down in Piermont in New York. We got the Tappan Zee next to us, and let me tell you something. We started from the bottom, now we're here. Yes sir, baby! We got 4 cylinders till now. We used to rock the GTI, and old boy moved up to the wide body Charger Hellcat. And this thing is a beast. I can't wait to see it on the open road, but I've always wanted a Charger, and this is amazing. Just how aggressive it looks and everything. Brought the old Mustang out to do some play, or to go play. But yeah, we got a nice backdrop to grab some photos. Yeah, look, we're moving. Oh my lord. Oh, so that's a dyno sheet right there. Yeah. Oh, that's cool. Alright, so I'm in Piermont, New York now, and this is one of my old good friends, Tim, and this is the beast he has. Go ahead, tell him a little something. I don't really know anything about it.
It's the 2011 392 SRT8 inaugural edition. It's been garage kept up until I bought it.
It's a beautiful car though.
15,000 miles on
15,000?
Right around there, yeah.
Dang. Yeah. It's a super rare car. It has a, let me see if I get the passenger sign over here. But this car is immaculate. 15. Yeah. What year is it?
2011. The first 1,000 came with the limited edition leather interior, matched the white.
So as you can see here,
Richard Petty signed the dashboard.
The king of NASCAR. went ahead and signed the dashboard, so don't get any better than that. Check the interior out, it's pretty nice. It's the white with the blue striped, but a beautiful car. I didn't even know it had 15,000. That's pretty insane. The only upgrade he did for right now is he got the Hellcat hood.
Mopar air intake.
Mopar air intake.
All Mopar parts.
Straight from Mopar. Mopar, no car. That's what they say, I think. Oh. Sorry this video's a bit choppy. I've just been doing videos here and there while I'm home visiting a bunch of people, but I'm like in my neighborhood where I grew up in. Make sure I'm recording, I am. And it's just funny, I remember being a kid going to the park down the street and seeing like a cool car, and I'd freak out, and it's just funny, I'm driving down the street and I'm making the car crackle and pop, and all the kids are laughing, so I think that's probably one of the best parts about having this car. Let's see if we can do it together. I don't know if I told you guys, but I was on the phone with Haltech and they logged into my computer and adjusted some of the things on the tune. So I guess because National Speed never really finished my tune, it was a little off. So I'm looking to get another dyno day before I leave New York, because I found some guy with a dyno that works with Haltech. Yeah, there's a lot of adjustment that needs to get done, but the guys on Haltech hooked me up. They got on the computer, they did what they had to do, and they taught me a few things. So yeah, that was pretty neat. So the car, I mean, it feels better. I'm not hitting a boost cut. I think I told you guys I was hitting a boost cut, doing like a third and fourth gear pull. I hit the boost cut and the car would just like completely lose all power. But that seems to be fixed. I got on it a few times and it seems to be all good. But yeah, just a little update. I gotta try and clean the car. It's just so cold down here. When I wash the car, the water freezes on the car. And yeah, I gotta get that adjusted. Or not, I gotta wait till warmer weather to do anything. But yeah, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do today. I was thinking about possibly bringing the car into the city. But you know how that, it's just like, I don't know, it's gonna give me anxiety driving it into the city, having everyone like so close to you and all that jazz, but we'll see what happens. But yep, I guess I'll see you guys in the next clip. Peace. Alright guys, so it is a few days later and I'm picking up a surprise today. I'm super excited to get it. I've been wanting one forever. So we are actually, took the Mustang out because the weather's nice for down here. It's 50 degrees warm down here apparently. So we are actually headed over the GW bridge. This is going to be the first time of me taking the car over the bridge into the city. So it should be pretty interesting. Everything's running good right now. We're on the PIP. You see we got some crazy drivers already. But yeah, the bridge is over there. I don't know if you can really see it. But yeah, we're heading into the city. See you when we get there.
In half a mile, use the right to lane.
I just got home and this is it. It's the GoPro Karma drone. I'll have to set it up and get it in there and show you guys, but this is the stabilizer. You throw the GoPro in there and then stick it in there, and then here's the remote. Here's the remote. Has the big screen where you see the camera. And it's pretty legit. I got everything charging because everything was dead when I got it. But once we get to an open field, I'll put her up in the air. What's up, guys? So this is the surprise. I got my first drone. It is the GoPro Karma drone. I have my Hero 6 set up to it. It's pretty legit. I took some test flights, but now we're gonna go ahead and send her up in the air. So let me show you guys here on the control. So you have your start button. So just come over here. So you hold the start button, it goes motor start, and then it has tap to auto takeoff. You go ahead, auto takeoff. And then it's some live action after that. Woo! Alright, so I'm not sure how high this can go, but it's been up to like 100 feet, so I guess we'll find out. Right now it's only at 34. Let's bring her up a little bit. That is 61. Go up a little higher. That is 90 feet right there, everyone. Alright, one of the cool features about it is it has an auto land. So you go ahead, press the auto land, and you can return to launch or return to you. We'll go return to launch, and then we just watch it do its thing. Yeah, we got a pretty strong wind. It says it's 29 mile/hour wind right now. So it's pretty impressive it can do that. Then again, it's not a small drone, it's a pretty thick drone. Yeah. But yeah, that's it. Alright guys, so the first snow my car has probably ever seen. As you guys know, I only have 32,000 miles on the car, and it is a sad sight. It kind of stinks, so definitely going to start looking for a storage unit so I can put this bad Larry away. But we're going on the road. Peace. Alright guys, thank you for watching the video. I'm sorry this video was pretty choppy. I'm visiting for the holidays, so I just try to take as many clips as possible. So the plan is the car is staying in New York because I'm going to be going away for a while. Not to jail or anything, but I'll be going away. I'll be going away. Yeah, so there's a few things going on with the car. I really need to get under it. It's just been so cold out here, it's impossible. So the plan is to get a storage unit. I priced out a storage unit. It's like $250 a month though. It's kind of expensive. And then for 9 months, it comes out to like almost $3 grand. So I got to see my other options. I just want to get under it because I haven't been under the car. I'm usually under it every week. I just want to make sure everything's all square, you know, just the usual. But yeah, we'll see about the dyno. I'm not sure if it's going to happen. It's supposed to happen this Wednesday, so I'll keep you guys updated on that. And I'll try and get some cool videos with the drone, of course, because I just bought it and it's awesome. And I'll throw some clips in right after this of just me up in my town all the way like 120 odd feet up in the air, just doing my thing. But yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll freaking see you next time. Peace.